guys, and welcome to my video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me military deployment get ready with me. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look and the hair and a little get ready with me talk, stay tuned and let's jump into the video. Hi guys, and welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me tutorial, basically deployment style. So if you want to see what basically beauty and hygiene on a deployment, stick with me in this video. So every day, this is basically my routine so I don't look exhausted and tired, i.e. now. So my steps are, I'm going to be moisturizing first. So the desert is very drying, so you want to just be very moisturized and also drink a lot of water. So I'm just gonna moisturize my face. I'm not really using anything crazy. I'm just using this Aveeno skincare daily moisturizer. And then an important step is to add some sunscreen. So basically this is the Neutrogena Sports Face Oil Free Sunscreen. This has SPF 70 in it. I'm not going out to like buy really expensive sunscreen, especially this is a deployment, so I don't think you should spend a lot of money on a deployment for skincare, but I put way too much sunscreen. Okay, well, rub that out. It's just very important to keep your skin protected, especially I'm in like a very hot climate, so I need to be protected from the sun because it is so bright out all the time out here. Look at, I have like a white ghostly cast. Alright, next step. So, since I do not want to look sleepy all the time, I'm just going to be taking some concealer. I'm doing that under my eyes, little marks of blemishes. So personally, I don't like heavy makeup, especially on deployment. But sometimes I do like to use BB cream if I'm just like, you know what, today I want to look a little extra nice or whatever. So I'm going to take this Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. Pretty sure you guys have all seen this. And I am in the medium sheer tint 120. So just dab a little on the back of my hand. Personally, I just think that you should look your best all the time and not, even when you don't feel like it, just sometimes when you just like look nice, I feel like you feel nice, Some days when I'm looking all crazy and I feel ugly, I'm just having a bad day already. Neck. Oh, I forgot to also moisturize my neck. Okay, so like I said, I don't like to look tired. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This works really good. I'm pretty sure it's comparable to the Shape Tape. I mean, it's very, it's shaped the same. Fully and awake. So dab to leave my deployment in about 2 days, and it's been definitely a crazy deployment and not what I expected at all. Overall it was fun. I can say that I had a good time. I had a very short situation. A little bit more about deployments or like military videos, I wouldn't mind filming some. Little to no eyebrows. You know, the pomade, Anastasia. I literally have little to no eyebrows. Like, you can see that. Look at that. This is kind of a struggle. So I would like to say that if you do come on deployment, get your eyebrows microbladed so you don't have to deal with this. So I'll follow the guideline of like my eyebrow. So I'll trace the bottom. As well as trace the top. And then I'll slightly like pull it like that. And now I look crazy. I'm not getting my eyebrows microbladed, but I think I might wait just because like the whole trend of like the fluffy soap brows are in, so I'm just like, I might want to play with the shapes sometimes. Alright, and then we're gonna fill it in like this. So make sure you get like the little spotch areas. So I won't go completely all the way in like that. And then I'll do the other side. So personally I like my eyebrows a little more darker and concentrated at like the ends / the middle. And then I'll do like small little strokes in the front so it's not super harsh. And then I'll go back with whatever I have like left over on the brush. And then I'll do like little hair strokes like this. Some days my eyebrows look really good, and then other days they look really freaking crazy. I mean, low-key, they look kind of fucking crazy right now, but you know what? I'm just gonna go with it. It'll go a little dark. The Fit Me Maybelline concealer. This is in buff beige. So I'll take like a little brush, like so, you know, I stab it in here a little bit, and then I'll clean under my eyebrows, like so. And I'll just sculpt the rest of it out. Or how it looks, or just the way the base operates. Alright, so eyebrows. Moving on to lashes. So my eyelashes are non-existent, and also I got a sty on this deployment. You guys don't even want to know about deployment story, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 black 100%. This is waterproof, you know. It's gonna look all crazy, so I'll just do a little coat here. We'll lift my lashes up. My mascaras are like drying out, which is crazy. I mean, like, I could order it off of Amazon, which low-key I tried, but my package got lost. Don't we just love Amazon for that? I mean, they refunded my money or whatever, but I was low-key kind of pissed. So I'm going in with the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. I do really like this mascara. If I just butchered the name, I'm sorry, Lancome. But just pull, and look how good my lashes look now. They're like amazing. I'm a big fan of this mascara. Like, look at that. You know, I wonder if makeup companies like really support the troops. Like, just wondering, like, if I'm like one of the first ones, like, that would be really cool. These are kind of not fully wet anymore, but they're starting to kind of dry up. And then I'm just gonna keep, and that pretty much sums up my makeup look. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I do look more alive and like attractive, I guess you could say. No, but more alive and more just like I love my life. Finished doing my hair, so I'm gonna straighten it. I'm getting ready. Since we are in COVID-19, sadly, still, we wear masks, so I would love to put on some blush, some bronzer, a little bit of highlight, even some lip gloss, but okay, so I had just finished straightening my hair. Looks a little poofy because I had to buy like a straightener from here and they didn't have any good quality straightener brands. This one's like beef. I don't hate my curly hair, but sometimes it looks just messy. So I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. So the Air Force, and that's what branch I'm in, recently just changed, I guess you could say, like, regulations for hair. So we are allowed to have our hair in ponytails now, because it used to be just like bun, or like if you had like short hair you have to make sure like it's not over your collar, but your hair cannot be no longer than like your, I don't even know what's called this, I guess like sleeve length right now. And just make sure that your hair and makeup is still in a professional manner. Hair sculpting, molding, it's a molding phase. So when I was like stuck somewhere, I had ran into like a, I guess you could say a convenient shop, like a drugstore, and I didn't have any like glue or something for my hair other than like gel, but I didn't even have the gel at the moment. And then I had grabbed this, and it smells like a man, but it's like a good smelling man smell. And then I'll just add that on top, right? Gel first. Yeah, the gel. Kind of get it down. I hate my hair looks like gross, nasty, unlaid. Alright, so you guys have any recommended molding paste that doesn't smell like a man? Or what you guys use for your hair? Let me know. I don't hate the Got2b black glue, or not glue, sorry, black gel. I don't hate that, but I don't like my hair being like stiff, like super stiff. Like with this at least, like my hair doesn't feel like super gross after. I mean, low-key kind of feels a little oily, but yeah. So then I'll like do that. Toothbrush. Depends. So I'll do that, right? Get my hair sorted into place, comb around it, make sure it's like really all sealed